I am Braxton Brand, and I am the owner of Brand Aerial. We are a spray drone sales, service, and custom application company from Grinnell, Iowa. We are located in central Iowa. Spray drones are primarily used in our area for fungicide. We use them a lot for cover crop, spreading, honeysuckle burn down, CRP. Actually, we've started spraying some ponds with them as well. So a lot of different uses, very diverse area. I got introduced to spray drones. There was a guy in our area who had a couple, and I watched them fly and always thought that was cool. One year I just started thinking about it. I called a couple people and decided to buy one. Just planning on using it on the family farm. And within a couple weeks of running it, quickly realized that this could be its own business and very, very big opportunities for us. We had nobody. The closest dealer to me was 45 minutes away, an hour and 45 minutes away. Saw a big need for it in our area and decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on starting to do it, and have seen a lot of success by doing it. I chose to be an Agri Spray Drones dealer because they are the best in the industry. They take their slogan of empowering rural America seriously and to heart. Their commitment to customer service and the United States is incredible. The tools they gave me was my area manager, Mason Skalak. Did I say his name right? Skalak? Should we just call him right now?
Braxton, what's up?
You are on a live interview with the Agri Spray Drones. How do you pronounce your last name?
Schlocky.
Schlocky?
Yep.
Okay, cool. That's all I needed. Schlocky? Mason Schlocky. The whole team down here is really good to work with. Really enjoy it. Wouldn't have it any other way. Excited to work with ASD. Their unmatched dealer support and customer support is incredible. Always picking up the phone, always ready to answer a question. And if they don't know it, they will immediately call you back and they will find out. If you're interested in seeing this technology in central Iowa, give us a call. Be more than happy to give you a demo and walk you through what you need to know.